Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off and where to find the option to turn off our bounce keys in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To turn off bounce keys, we have to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for accessibility function. Here, accessibility menu, excuse me, and interaction and dexterity. When we scroll a little bit down, we have our bounce keys enabled. What does it do exactly? Prevent accidental key presses by setting a delay before a second tap on the second key is accepted. So we can of course change this time here, but to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now this function is turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.